We are in the castle of Santa Severa on the promontory of Pirgi, one of the most stunning ancient places in the coastal Etruria. Pyrgos means the tower, so it is a topographical reference point for sailors along the coast, which determines the name of the place. This city continues its life. Then, in the Roman imperial period, it is transformed into a big villa. Then, in the Middle Ages, a part of this fortress develops in Castrum Sancte and the Sancte Severe Civitas, cited in documents. A fortuitous discovery, a direct result of the works of restructuring the castle, which would have triggered a long and complex archaeological excavation by the Archaeological Superintendency of Southern Etruria, which would re-emerge after more than 10 centuries, the testimony of a past that was thought by now lost forever. In particular, we hope that these new jobs, these new opportunities for research, can contribute to the clarification of the early medieval phase, also in relation with the presence of Paleo-Christian place of worship of Santa Severa, because this cult was carried on in this castle, at least as we know from written documents from the 9th century AD. There is a church of the 15th century, the Baptistery, which was built in 1594. It is the present parish church. The Paleo-Christian church has disappeared, and since the martyrdom of Santa Severa happened under Diocletian, traditionally after 297 after Christ, there should be a Paleo-Christian building, but it had not been found yet. It is even doubted the real existence of this martyrdom site. This church, in practice, could show what sources have told us, that it existed from the 9th century a church dedicated to Santa Severa in the castle, since the martyrdom of Santa Severa, her two brothers Marco and Calendino.